Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? All right, so today we'll be talking about another cue card for IELTS, speaking. So let me first read it out for you. Describe a TV program which has made a strong impression on you. You should say what kind of program it was, example comedy, romantic, etc. When you watched it, and when the TV program was what the TV program was about, and explain why this TV program made such a huge impression on you. Okay, so let's talk about this. Now, generally, I feel that students who belong from a non-native, they don't come from an English-speaking environment, they really struggle with the speaking exam. And there are several reasons for it, because obviously English is not their first language. English is not spoken so frequently and so fluently in their surroundings, and they really struggle with this area of the IELTS exam. So I just thought that I would take up one cue card at a time. Now, for those of you who enjoy watching TV shows, this would be very easy for you because you talk about whatever you want to. But for those of you who don't really regularly watch TV shows, maybe you should just prepare one, about one TV show that you like. And it can be from any, language. It doesn't have to be an English TV show. It could be from your local country. It could be from, another language. For instance, for Pakistanis, Turkish dramas have become very popular, and Turkish dramas have become something that they'd like to talk about. So you can talk about that. That doesn't matter as long as you're speaking in English and you're speaking clearly. It doesn't matter what TV show you're speaking about. All right, so let's get started. So the TV show that I want to talk about is The Office. I want to talk about the American version of The Office, which I have recently started watching. It's an amazing show. The layers of meaning in every single section of what they're showing is amazing. Serious topics are shown in a very funny manner. Serious conflicts are sort of resolved in a very funny manner. But you constantly see this class struggle. You see this, the bourgeoisie and the proletariat, and this class struggle between the bosses and the workers, the laborers, and the staff. And everything is shown in a very funny manner. So there's this irony, there's this sarcasm, there's this cynicism, but it's all very interesting. It's something that you want to really take in, absorb. Maybe if the